I am so excited to film this video. I cannot wait. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and oh my god, today I'm so excited. Okay, so today we're gonna film with the MMMMITCHELL palette, the Meet Myself and MMMMITCHELL palette collab with Beauty Bay. This is my first Beauty Bay product and I'm really excited to try it out. The layout of this palette is genius and I love how it's laid out. Like, you have the warm tones here, then you have this cute little mirror that you can like take out. It's like a magnet and I love that. And then you have the cooler tones you have here, and it's so pretty and the shades are gigantic. Like, the pen size are really big, so I cannot wait to try this out on my eyes. So let me stop talking and let's get onto the video. I'm gonna prime my eyes and we'll be right back. Now that we are primed and ready to go, I'm gonna be recreating this makeup look that Mitchell did on his IG story recently. And it looks so cute. I believe he used his palette, he never said, but that's what I'm gonna be doing because it looks really cute. To prime my eyes, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer like always. I love this eye primer. So let's just begin, shall we? I'm gonna start applying the color Motto with a Makeup Shack T73, and I'm just gonna apply it to the outer edge of my eye, like the crease, but the outer edge as well, but not in this part of the crease because we're gonna do another color there. So yeah. Oh my god, do you see that pigment? Ooh. Oh wow. Wow, this color has so much pigment. Oh, what the heck. This color is insane. Like, the pigment was there, bitch. I didn't have to apply, like, reapply that much, so it's crazy. And it's a matte, like matte. Now I'm gonna grab the color Moody Mitch and I'm gonna apply it to this area right here where I didn't apply any color, but the crease area, I mean, with a Morphe M506, and I'm gonna blend them in the middle. I'm not joking when I say I actually think this is one of the best palettes I've ever used. Like, the color payoff is insane. What the fuck? This is actually crazy. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab the color Mmmmcd and I'm gonna put it on the top layer right here. Not on the blue, but on the purple, but like just on the tippy top. Okay, it's looking crazy, but I think we can get somewhere with this. The Morphe M506 as well, I'm gonna grab the color Morning Glory and I'm gonna put it on this outer edge right here and blend all of that together. These colors are so pigmented that I don't, like, I swear, I think I've never used a palette like this. Like, I usually need to like reapply and reapply, but it's not happening with this one. And I love it. Now with a Morphe M456, I'm gonna grab the color hmoney and I'm gonna apply it on top of the blue, not blending it with anything else, just the blue. I know everything's looking pretty crazy, but like, don't you worry. Don't you worry, because I'm here and I'm gonna fix it. And I'm gonna grab the color Manchester with the Makeup Shack T63 brush, and I'm gonna apply this color lightly around the edges of like everything we've put in, but lightly. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is do like a little reapplication of every single color that I've done, just to intensify all the colors. Even though like it doesn't need it, I just like it to blend everything well together and that it makes sense. So I'm just gonna speed this up really quick because it's the same process that you've seen before, but again. Okay, we are looking still kind of crazy, but it's gonna be good at some point. That's what I know. So now I'm gonna cut the crease real quick with a Q-tip and a little bit of micellar water. This is like the best method I've used. It's pretty amazing, you should try it. And I'm just gonna cut the crease until like here. So let's do that, let's cut it. Now that we cut the crease, I'm gonna grab the Morphe M166. It's a flat brush, and I'm gonna apply a little bit of the color Modest everywhere where we cut the crease, but just a little bit, just to apply a little bit of the neutral shade. Okay, with a Morphe M456, I'm gonna grab a little bit of the color Myles High, and I'm gonna blend it on this area right here to blend like the two colors together. It's like a really light purple and it's so pretty.
Before you educate the head, try to educate the heart.
Now I'm gonna grab more of the color Moto, the really dark purple, and like reblend that a little bit since the light purple got a little bit in the way and we don't want her there. Now I'm gonna grab another Morphe M456, and I'm gonna grab the color Mafia, which is a black, and very lightly I'm gonna apply that on the outer edge just to darken that a bit, but lightly. I added a little bit of the color Morgan in between like the black and the light purple because it wasn't just blending right. I'm sorry, like I didn't catch it on camera, but that's what I did. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my face and my brows, and we'll be right back to finish the eyes. I'm gonna grab the color Morgan for the under eye with a Morphe Y20, and I'm gonna blend that out. Also, I'm gonna grab a little bit of Moto, the dark purple, and blend that in the corner. Now I'm gonna grab Myles High, the light purple, and blend the edges. And now a little bit of the yellow on the outer edge, just to tie it all in. On the inner corner, I'm gonna use the color Muffin, which is a pretty reflective shade with a Morphe M431. I cannot wait to see how this looks. Oh my god. It's so reflective. I also want to mix a little bit of marine, which is the basically the same as this one that I just put in, but with a blue shift. So I want to mix them together. I'm really excited for the lashes that I'm going to use today, and I'm going to be using the Tati lashes and Mitchell collab. Of course, I'm going to be using the TLMITCHELLs. I haven't used these ever, so I'm so excited. They're so big and gigantic, and I cannot wait to see them in my eyes. I'm gonna shape them to my eye and cut them, and we'll see how they look. Oh my god, look at these lashes. Like, let me zoom you guys in. I need you guys to appreciate my eyes right now. Like, what? Amazing, beautiful, so good. Wow. So let's finish up the face. I'm gonna bronze real quick with the same bronzer I use every single time, Kiko Milano bronzer, like always. I can never go wrong with this bronzer. Contour with the Anastasia contour kit. I'm gonna contour my face as well as my nose. For blush, I'm actually gonna use NARS Orgasm. For highlight, I'm actually gonna use the color that I use on the inner corner, Muffin. That's the one with the pink reflect, because the other one's too chunky for the face. So I'm just gonna use this one. For the lips, I'm gonna line them up with the MAC lip liner in the color Anticipation, and then top it off with the Daisy X Katie X Dose of Colors collab lip gloss in the color The Most. I love this gloss so much, so let's do that. Oh my god, we're done. I know this took forever, but it's so pretty, and I fucking swear, I swear on my nails, this is one of the best palettes that I've ever used in my life. This is the best palette that I've ever used in my life. It has a little bit of everything. It has your colors and your neutrals. So please do yourself a favor and buy this shit, because you need it in your life. It's so good. I bought it for the colors, but mostly because Mitchell is such an amazing person. I've met him a couple of times and he's so freaking nice. So I'm like, I need to support this guy. I need to support him. And it's worth it. It was so worth it. Now I'm telling you, if you don't know who Mitchell is, first of all, how can you not know him? Go look him up. And second, you need this just because it's so fucking good. Like, I cannot express that enough, how good this palette is. So please go buy it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can keep seeing my beautiful face. And I'll see you on another video. Bye, bitches.